Why implementing Giloy in your daily routine can make you look years younger. Giloy is also known as Amrit in Sanskrit. So Amrit, as we all know, is the nectar which is like for immortality. Giloy is so good because it helps our body to metabolize what we are eating and digest it better. When we eat something, the body converts it into rasa, then into rakta. So the transformation goes as rasa, rakta, mamsa, mega, asthi, majja, shukra. So the food goes from rasa to plasma to blood to muscle to fat to bone marrow, and then finally to the sexual organs as sperms or eggs, which shows up as ojas. So because Giloy helps to transform the whole food directly into ojas, and that is why it helps us to look younger, because it can nourish the body, and the food that we eat reaches out to every cell, every tissue, and our skin, as we know, is a reflection of the health inside. So we also feel younger and look younger, and the hair texture is better. Immediately you can see results. This is like I compare it to the gunpowder. Like on a matchstick, you see the powder on the top which is used to ignite. So this acts like a matchstick in the stomach. Immediately it can ignite the digestive fire, which helps to digest the food better, and it is absorbed better and helps to nourish the body better. So you can click on the button below to order this online on our website.